Right guys, tench number 2 of the day, going back. Not a big fish, but hey, on a hot day when nothing else is biting, who's complaining? Not me. So let's get this one back. So a little bit bigger than the previous one. There you go. Happy days. Off you go. Off you go, Dr. Fish. Right. Let's make sure that he's okay and recovers properly. Come on. Let's give him a little helping hand, I think. Come on, mate. That's it, back you go. Right, that's number 2 of the day. Happy.